Any suggestion, people? I changed the fuel pump. I changed the fuel filter. I changed the crankshaft sensor, and I also changed um, spark plugs 2, 4, and 6. I'm not sure what else to do. So what'll happen is it will after I change the 3 spark plugs as well as the crankshaft sensor, it cranked right away. It actually stayed running for about, I don't know, 3 to 4 minutes, and then it killed. And then I went to crank it again. It cranked right back up. It just didn't stay running for as long. So I went in the house for about additional, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour or so. Came back out, took the battery post off, put it back on. It cranked for a nice little while. It allowed me to get in the car, put it in reverse, turn the car around, back it up, and then it killed again. Now, once again, it's doing the exact same thing. It just keeps on stalling. So if you have any suggestions for me, please feel free to let me know what you think it is. It's a 2001 Jaguar S-Type 3.0 liter V6. If you have any suggestions, feel free to let me know. Thank you.